Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Adobe Creative Cloud app on Windows, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the Adobe Creative Cloud app on Windows, begin by closing the application. Ensure that all Adobe related programs are completely shut down. Press the Windows key on your keyboard. Type Control Panel and press Enter to open it. In the Control Panel window, click on Programs. Then select Programs and Features. Scroll through the list of installed applications until you find Adobe Creative Cloud. Click on Adobe Creative Cloud to highlight it. Now, click on the Uninstall button located at the top of the window. Follow the prompts in the uninstallation wizard that appears. This will start the uninstallation process, which may take a few moments. Once the process is complete, a confirmation message will appear. You may also wish to uninstall additional Adobe applications if they were installed with Creative Cloud. If needed, repeat the same steps for each Adobe application you want to remove. After all desired applications are uninstalled, close the Control Panel window. To ensure a clean uninstallation, check for any remaining Adobe folders in your system. Open File Explorer and navigate to the C drive. Look for the Program Files and Program Files, x86, folders. If you see an Adobe folder in either location, delete it. Also, check the Users folder under your account for any Adobe-related files. Finally, restart your computer to complete the uninstallation process. Once your system is back up, Adobe Creative Cloud should be completely removed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.